Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with 2 quick checks: close Visual Studio Code and ensure you have admin rights. Once done, open Task Manager and end any remaining code processes so files aren't locked. Next, back up your settings and extension list. Use Explorer to copy %appdata %code and run code list extensions exts. TXT in PowerShell. Make sure backups are safe before you continue, because the uninstaller will remove user-level caches and extensions unless preserved. You now remove the app via Settings. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, locate Visual Studio Code, click the menu and choose Uninstall. Confirm prompts and accept the UAC elevation so the uninstaller can remove program files. If VS Code isn't listed, open Control Panel, right arrow Programs and Features, or use Widget Uninstall ID Microsoft. Visual Studio Code in an elevated terminal. Make sure to watch for optional prompts to remove user data. Only select them if you want a full wipe. Finish by cleaning residual files and registries. You should delete %appdata %code, %localappdata %programs /Microsoft VS Code, and %userprofile %. VS Code to remove caches and extensions. If you need a thorough cleanup, check HKCU /software for Visual Studio Code keys, but only edit the registry if you're comfortable. Mistakes can harm Windows. If the uninstaller fails, run the installer again to repair, then uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.